Hey everybody, Marion the Barbarian here. Got an awesome shave for you today. We went a little matchy in my opinion. HC&C bowl. Look, we whipped up a nice lather in there. I did not use a lot of soap. It may look like it when you see the part I digged out, but it didn't smear into a lot like normally. But you can see I just did a little scoop. Yeah, it really does. That looks like I used so much, but when I smeared it out in the bottom of the bowl, it wasn't that much. It's 5-ounce tub, Magique for Kim Gray. And I'm going to tell you guys, this is strong, dude. Strong off the tub. Really kicking when you lather it up in the bowl. You can smell it. Like, it's strong. It's a dupe of Sauvage. And it's a very good dupe, in my opinion. All right. We whipped it up with the PAA. What's this one called? This, oop, water on the bottom. Starwisp. I like it. Inexpensive brush. I'm sure he's got plenty on there. And we're using the Henson AL13. The purplish color, I can't remember what color it's actually called. And medium aggression plate. All right. Stir up the lather just a little. Man, I'm telling you, dude, strong scent. Very strong scent. Sorry, I did dip the tips to add some more water, just in case. It has been sitting here for a few minutes after I lathered it. We all know what that can lead to, right? Oh, there we go. It's nice, creamy, good and dense. Just gonna see how it feels. Sorry, playing with the lather, and it's a kicking scent. You gotta remember, I only own 2 HC&C soaps, but thanks to Kim, I've tried quite a few samples. So, very excited about that. Using the Wizamet, of course. Don't know how many uses. I've got 3 Wizamet blades going between all my razors. So, we are going off around 30 hours of growth. I shaved yesterday, but it's been over 24 hours. Super close and clean shave yesterday, which I believe was my last video. It was really smooth all day. I was very happy with it. There we go. Fingers crossed, tomorrow I'm back to regular duty at UPS. Been on temporary alternative work. Hurt my shoulder. They say I've got some degradation in my shoulder. Like permanent issues starting to develop. You know, part of manual labor your entire life. But they said this itself was just a strain, supposedly, like a trap. The muscles connecting the trap to the rotator cuff. So, but all they did was some x-ray imaging. But it is feeling a ton better. And I got like this, I don't know why, I scratched or did something in my ear over here. It's got like this little scab that wants to bleed right there. All right. Whip up the lather. I'm telling you guys, HC&C is some good stuff. It smells good. Like I said, The two I've got from HC&C that I own, dead ringer dupes of what they're being duped of. So, gotta love that. It's always a good sign. The quality of the lather is great, and it's one of those enjoyable lathers to make. For me. Some lathers are more fun to build lathers with, or soap, shall I say, with the type of lather it can produce. Now, I know people that can pretty much produce the same type lather. Now, granted, they're face lathers as well, but every single time they get a soap, no matter which one it is, it's going to look pretty close to the same. There we go. The whole chin, upper lip thing seems totally new to me. That's just me. Haven't had to shave it in so long. I don't think this shave's going to be as close as the one I had yesterday. We're not doing a third. We're just going to go old school. But we'll have a good shave. I'm not wanting to go too close personally. Working in the sun tomorrow, hopefully. And it's later in the evening. There we go. And I don't want to sweat and get those little bumps, you know what I mean? Alrighty guys, we're going to rinse up. You know the drill, we'll be right back. Alright guys, we are back. Another wonderful shave. We'll bust out the Sauvage. Now here's why I said this is going to be like a summer scent for me. Sauvage, I enjoy the scent. I think it's a phenomenal scent. It's a crowd pleaser for the most part. There are people that don't like it, but quite a few people do love it. Definitely summer scent. You can wear it at the office. You just got to be careful how much you're using. I work outdoors, so it doesn't matter as much. I just need something that's not going to perform horribly in the heat. Like, you're not using Spice Bomb Extreme in the heat. Like, I would hate myself with 2 sprays of that. Hell, 1 spray of that in the summertime. But this is one I don't wear around the house generally. It's something that I put on when I go out. If I'm going to wear something around the house, even climate, I'll just wear something I really want to smell all day. You know what I'm saying? Because ain't nobody else around me trying to smell it. And normally I don't wear frags for other people, but I do enjoy that frag. And it's just one of those I enjoy to wear out more than I enjoy to wear at the house. I know everybody's like, well, shouldn't you want to enjoy wearing everything out? Well, we're not getting into that. Magique, awesome, awesome, awesome. It's really a dead ringer, guys. A dead frickin' ringer. HC&C bowl, thank you, Kim Gray. Get back to it. We have the PAA Starwisp. Ooh, there we go. And the Henson AL13 in purplish, pink, magenta. I don't know what color that is. But wonderful shade today, people. If you made it this far and you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you didn't enjoy it, I guess you can give me a thumbs down. And if you made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. All right, guys, we'll catch you a little later this week.